Once upon a time I would have moved a mountain just to know that I was on your mind at all. They say love can make you blind. You had me wrapped around your pinky finger, waiting for your midnight call. I was never the first pick, but you knew I'd wait for you every time. But now I see that I was never gonna be your Mr. Right, just Mr. Right next in line. I don't wanna be the next best thing. I ain't gonna be your safety net. Baby, if I'm not the one you want, I don't wanna be the one you get. We could be a symphony, but I'm always second string. So baby, if you're lonely tonight, it's time to find yourself another next best thing. Whoa, whoa, another next best thing. Hey, See, I've been getting used to all this elevator music that you're playing while I wait on hold. Yes, you're on the other line, and no, I let you take your time. This waiting game is getting old. Always looking over your shoulder, just in case something better comes by. Still hoping for the day when I'll be more than second place. It's just a waste of my precious time. I don't wanna be the next best thing. I ain't gonna be your safety net. Baby, if I'm not the one you want, I don't wanna be the one you get. We could be a symphony, but I'm always second string. So baby, if you're lonely tonight, it's time to find yourself another next best thing. I could be all you need, but you treat me like I'm nothing at all. So when his love falls through, find another fool to call. Oh, I don't wanna be the next best thing. I ain't gonna be a safety net. Baby, if I'm not the one you want, I don't wanna be the one you get, the one you get. No, I won't be a safety net. Baby, if I'm not the one you want, I don't wanna be the one you get. We could be a symphony, but I'm always second string. So baby, if you're lonely tonight, it's time to find yourself another next best thing. Whoa, whoa.